Today I'll show you how to replace the door handle for a T10 or Armada, and this is an 04. Here is the door handle. I got it from the dealer for like 20 bucks. What you just need to do, if you take the gasket or the thing was in here, the tape, and there is a little bolt inside here, just unscrew it with a T27, and you take that cover off, and you just take this one out a little bit. You have to remove it, and then you wiggle this handle until it comes out. So this is the new one. I'm trying to see how I can install it. I just go back the same way. Just to try to stick it in again. Sorry, I don't have someone to hold the camera for me. Yeah, see, this is gonna work. So I'm gonna try to slide this one this way. Okay, now it's work. Just to put the cover back in and screw the bolt again. That's it. Thanks for watching.